Hello, my name is Mark Gough and I'm the Chief Executive of the Capitals Coalition. And we're really pleased to be supporting the IUCN World Conservation Congress, the Post-2020 and Biodiversity and Business Hubs. The Capitals Coalition is a global collaboration of nearly 400 organisations that's transforming the way that we make decisions by including the value provided by nature, people and society. Our shared ambition is that by 2030, the majority of business, finance and government will include all capitals in all decisions that they make, and that this will deliver a fairer, just and more sustainable world. Now, we all know that this is a critical time where action is needed urgently to address the multiple challenges that we face around climate change, biodiversity loss and rising inequity. We're failing to address these challenges because we're unequipped to make sense of the complex relationships that we have with nature, people and society. This results in business, finance and policy decisions that are far too often based on incomplete information, leading to ineffective, inefficient or damaging outcomes. Now, after many years of foundational work, we've now got well-developed frameworks such as the Natural, Social and Human Capital Protocols. And like the UN System of Environmental Economic Accounting, which became a standard in 2021, the protocols are now being standardised. This is being done through an EU Green Deal funded project such as the Transparent and Align with the Value Balancing Alliance, WBCSD, UNEP WCMC, ICF and Arcadis leading, and many others playing an active role. It can be difficult to understand the many different initiatives and how they relate to each other. So to improve our understanding and identify where we can influence and support, we use an infinity loop. Each element of this loop depends on the unbroken flow of information and data that circulates through the system. And when this information is based on the value created, eroded or destroyed, we can accelerate this pace of transition. It's only when we have this joint understanding across the entire system that we'll be able to create what Nigel Topping, the UK high-level climate action champion, calls the radical collaboration that's needed to win this race to zero carbon and nature positive. We're now seeing high-level support for value accounting with statements from the G7 and the first draft of the post-2020 Global Biodiversity Framework, which recognises this need to understand the value of nature in the decisions that we make. The discussions at the IUCN Congress can and must help to further strengthen this and build this position. It's important that the conservation community advocates the embedding of value in decision making if we're going to build the confidence that's needed in this crucial building block. That's why the draft motion 062 on natural capital is so important. I'd like to invite you all to join the Capitals Coalition online community of actors. Through this community, you can access all the latest resources, tools, find out about new developments and opportunities, and share your experiences with people who are looking to protect and conserve the natural world. Thank you very much and enjoy the good Congress.